Have you ever wondered what a butterfly does before laying its eggs? Do butterflies look for the tastiest leaves to lay their eggs on? Well, if you're thinking that these beautiful insects lay their eggs just anywhere, you'd be wrong. In fact, butterflies have a special ability to taste the flavor of leaves with their feet. That's right, with their feet. Hi there, welcome to my channel. And today we're going to talk about the amazing world of butterflies and their unique ability to taste the flavors of leaves with their feet. It might sound strange, but this ability is crucial for their survival and plays a significant role in the ecosystem. To begin with, let me ask you this. If you could taste a cake by standing on it, which cake would you choose? Maybe you'd go for the chocolate or maybe the vanilla. But what if you didn't have a mouth? How would you do it? Well, if you were a butterfly, you could just use your feet. Butterflies are beautiful insects with bright colors and outstanding features. Their life cycle is truly amazing, starting from an egg, turning into a worm, then encasing itself in a pupa before emerging as a beautiful butterfly. They play a vital role in nature as pollinators of flowers, helping to maintain plant populations and biodiversity. And they're also a link in the food chain, providing food for birds and other animals. But one of the most fascinating things about butterflies is their ability to taste the flavors of leaves with their feet. And yes, they can do this because their feet are specially adapted to detect certain chemicals on the leaves. Each foot has several small organs called chemoreceptors, which are sensitive to different chemicals such as sugars, alkaloids, bitter substances, toxins, etc. These receptors send signals to the nerves in the butterfly's legs, which then relays the information to the brain. In just a few seconds, the butterfly can recognize the taste and nutritional value of the leaf. Now you might be wondering why butterflies need this ability to taste with their feet. Well, it's all about finding the right plants to lay their eggs on. You see, when a female butterfly lays her eggs, she's not just looking for any plant. She needs to find a specific type of plant that her caterpillars will be able to eat when they hatch. Otherwise, her eggs won't have a chance to survive. Take the monarch butterfly, for example. This beautiful orange and black butterfly only lays its eggs on milkweed leaves. Milkweed may not be the tastiest plant around, but it's essential for monarch butterflies. And these butterflies use their feet to make sure they're on the right plant before laying their eggs. But why does the butterfly need to be so picky about where it lays its eggs? Well, it's all about survival. You see, when a butterfly lays its eggs, it's not just the eggs that are vulnerable. The caterpillars that hatch from those eggs are also vulnerable. They need to be able to eat enough food to grow and develop properly. If they can't find enough food, they'll simply starve to death. That's why butterflies have evolved to lay their eggs on specific types of plants that their caterpillars can eat. By using their feet to taste the leaves, butterflies can ensure that their eggs will hatch into healthy caterpillars that can survive and reproduce. So how do butterflies use their feet to choose the right plants to lay their eggs on? Well, it's simple, yet effective. When a butterfly lands on a leaf, it uses its feet to sample the chemicals on the leaf surface. If the chemicals are a match, the butterfly knows it's found the right plant. For example, swallowtail butterflies usually choose citrus trees like oranges and lemons to lay their eggs. But did you know that these butterflies can distinguish the taste between related plants like parsley and fennel? They choose fennel over parsley because its taste resembles that of citrus. So with their feet, swallowtail butterflies can identify the exact type of tree or plant they need to lay their eggs on. And it's not just the taste of the leaves that the butterflies are looking for. They also need to make sure that the plant is safe for their eggs. Some plants contain harmful toxins that can kill butterfly eggs or caterpillars, but butterflies have evolved to avoid these plants by tasting their leaves with their feet. For example, if a butterfly accidentally lands on poison hemlock, its feet will detect the toxins and the butterfly will fly away immediately. This ability to avoid harmful plants is crucial for the survival of butterfly eggs and caterpillars. So how do butterflies benefit from being able to taste with their feet? Well, for starters, it ensures that their eggs will hatch into healthy caterpillars that can survive and reproduce. It also helps them avoid laying eggs on harmful plants that could kill their offspring. But perhaps the greatest benefit of all is the ability to ensure an abundant food source for their next generation. You see, when a butterfly lays its eggs, it's not just the eggs that need to survive, but also the caterpillars that hatch from them. Caterpillars are voracious eaters and they need plenty of food to grow and develop properly. If they can't find enough food, they'll simply starve to death. But by using their feet to taste the leaves before laying their eggs, butterflies can ensure that their caterpillars will have plenty of food to eat. This is especially important for butterflies that lay their eggs in large batches. If one leaf isn't enough to feed all the caterpillars, butterflies can use their feet to find nearby leaves that they can lay their eggs on. This way, their caterpillars will have plenty of food to eat and will be able to grow and develop properly. But how accurate are these butterflies' feet when it comes to tasting the leaves? Well, it turns out that they're incredibly accurate. In fact, they can detect even the slightest changes in the taste of the leaves. For example, if a leaf has been sprayed with a pesticide, butterflies can detect the change in taste and will not lay their eggs on it. Similarly, if a leaf has been contaminated by other insects, butterflies can detect the change in taste and avoid laying their eggs on it. This incredible ability to detect even the slightest changes in the taste of the leaves is crucial for the survival of butterfly eggs and caterpillars. By avoiding contaminated or harmful leaves, butterflies can ensure that their offspring will not be exposed to pesticides or other harmful substances that could kill them. In conclusion, butterflies' ability to taste the leaves with their feet is a remarkable adaptation that ensures the survival of their eggs and caterpillars. It allows them to choose the right plants to lay their eggs on, avoid harmful plants, and ensure an abundant food source for their offspring. This unique ability is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of these beautiful creatures. But wait, before you go, here's something else to think about. Have you ever wondered why some people have a sweet tooth while others prefer savory foods, or why certain foods evoke childhood memories? These are just a few examples of how our sense of taste affects our daily lives. Our sense of taste is more than just a way to perceive flavors. It's a powerful sense that can evoke memories, influence our mood, and even affect our health. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think is the most important thing you learned from this video? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.